Hello everyone, my name is Azizah. Identification number is 2101016 and I'm from Chemical Technology. Now I would like read my exams with the title is Weight of Liquid and Solids with Pitometer. Basically, the determination of the level of dry substance or bricks can be done using the principle of density and weight type. Density is the time of the substance of each unit of volume, so it shows a substance is lighter or heavier than another substance, while the weight of the type states how lighter or heavier substance is at the 13th volume density of the substance compared to the weight of water with the same volume at a temperature of 4 Celsius. Density of water. How to measure the weight of the type can be classified into two, namely Number one is direct weight by weighing a substance with a certain content, dividing it by its content, or by weighing the substance and then dividing it by the weight of the water by the contents and at the same temperature. Number two, using Archimedes law by measuring the upward pressure that occurs when an object is inserted into the fluid. The first method of determining the sugar depends on thoroughness and weighing the tune of accuracy and measuring the volume of the substance examined. The rigor of weighing can be achieved using a smooth billing sheet or analytical. Furthermore, the accuracy of measuring volume can be achieved by constructing the shake-up of the shake-up for the purpose. This covered pumpkin is called a pitometer. A modern terminology to refer to a pitometer is the specific pitometer classified in two groups. Number one, a pumpkin from that has a horned plug. This plug is penetrated in such a way that it forms capillary channels. And then number two, a pumpkin from a glass with a horned plug. The plug is constructed in such a way that is a thermometer. This pumpkin is still equipped with a capillary pipe with the ends horned and a lid horn. Both walls are made double. The room between the two walls is made vacuum, so the content of the pitometer are not much affected by change in outside temperature. The measurement can be done at a constant temperature. For the group 2, pitometer has the advantage that during the weighing of the temperature of the solution can continue to be observed during the examination. In the use of a pitometer, capillary dots or pipes should be full of light. I'm sorry, it means that our pipes should be full of fluid. Capillary pipes on the plug of this pitometer bottle have the function. Number one, can make more careful measurements. Slight changes in the content of the pitometer because the change in temperature will give a large change in the surface height of the capillary pipe. And number two, if you do not use capillary channels, then there will be no decay because the presence of bubble gelembung or bubble air can be avoided. Air will come out through the capillary pipe at the time the plug is closed, along with the greatness of the liquid that come out. And number three, with the capillary channel will be obtained the same content measurement condition with the contents of liquid substance to be determined. Density with the contents of the liquid reference. Sugar factory in Indonesia only use the weight bricks determination with a pignometer and bricks weighing tool. So the designation of brick doesn't depend on the weight of determination. In determining bricks by using a bricks weighing tool, there are influences that are not found in the use of pignometer. For example, phase voltage, current and fine third part that fluid and are attached to bricks weighing device. Therefore, the determination of bricks with a pignometer is more true than the weighing device bricks. Then the bricks specified by a pignometer must be distinguished from bricks specified by bricks weighing tool. Bricks specified by a pignometer is called a pignometer bricks. In a pure sugar solution or pure saccharose, then the price of bricks is equal to the price of dry substance is true. While in technical sugar solution, generally the price of brick is higher than the price of the actual dry substance, and caused by the presence of impurities in the solution, which has a large type of weight than the weight of the type of pure sugar solution or pure saccharose with the same concentration. Difference in bricks price with substance dryness is actually involved in greater dilution and low purity. The pignometer that is widely used in sugar factory is the pignometer book model, which has a double wall and is equipped with a vacuum to be able to withstand the temperature of the contents of the pignometer for a long time, so that during determination, filling weighted, the determination of the solution can be held constant. According to the International Commission for Uniform Method of Sugar Analysis, it is determined that the determination of the type of solution in the water is determined. Specific and at normal temperature is 27 Celsius should be compared to water at 4 Celsius. It is calculated in temperature. The temperature done at the temperature earlier. The corrected on this calculation to restore the weight to a normal temperature. From the weight of this calculation, it is so from the table what the appropriate concentration of solution is. Measurement 6% bricks with pignometer. Number 1, determine the water value of the pignometer. Pignometer water volume is the volume of the pignometer in normal temperature. This volume obtained by weighing the water provided in a pignometer, then multiplied by the specific volume on the table. Number 2, determine the weight of the type of solution from the weight of this type obtained. It will be searched for bricks using table. So these bricks obtained is not an actual bricks or called with bricks not yet corrected. To meet the bricks concentration actually, it must be corrected first with a temperature correction that is priced. It is arranged in a correction table. So yeah, sekian. That is all for me. So thank you for watching, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.